In this video I'm going to show you how to set up in WhatsApp themes, so whenever somebody contacts you via WhatsApp you've got a particular theme for them. So if you've got two lots of people in your WhatsApp chat, like one being Fred 1 and you've got another Fred 2, you can identify which Fred you're talking to because you've got a theme set up for that person. If you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe to watch the next one. Go to WhatsApp, tap on the person's name, then go to select a theme. You can select a colour or wallpaper. Here I'm selecting a green wallpaper. You can swipe right or left to change the theme. You can see me running through the different themes to see if there's anything that might be more suitable for the person who I'm chatting to. When I'm ready, it says set theme. If you learnt something today, carry on and watch another video and learn a bit more, or subscribe to watch the latest videos coming out.